And acting under India's pressure, the Nawaz Sharif administration finally appealed against the Islamabad High Court order withdrawing Lakhvi's bail. Now, while the crucial hearing is set to be taking place today, the question is, will Pakistan really file a strong case against the mass murderer, or will it be just another hogwash?
With 5 lakh rupees as surety bonds, an anti-terrorism court in Islamabad let 2611 plotters Zakiur Rahman Lakhvi walk free on December 18, 2014.
पाकिस्तान को उचित शब्दों में बात पहुंचा दी गई है और सदन ने जो भावना व्यक्त की है उस भावना का आदर करते हुए सरकार के आगे की गतिविधियां उसी के संदर्भ में रहेगी, उसी प्रकाश में रहेगी.
The Pakistan government facing severe flack and being forced to act.
Nawaz Sharif's government is perhaps trying to do what it can to retain him in jail till they can produce fresh set of evidence to nail him for 2611, and the MPO route is perhaps being used to that effect.
Pakistan has been forced to act on the case of Zakiur Rahman Lakhvi because of the tremendous, pressure, international pressure that has come onto it.
The 2611 conspirator detained by Pakistan government, but shockingly not for his role in Mumbai attacks. Islamabad instead invoking the Maintenance of Public Order Act in a 6-year-old kidnapping case. And the Islamabad High Court is all set to hear the case today.
The Supreme Court will take up an appeal of the Interior Ministry of Pakistan against the Islamabad High Court decision, which last week suspended the federal government order of detaining Zakiur Rahman Lakhvi.
Court suspended Lakhvi's detention and sent him to judicial custody. But will the Sharif government succeed in building a strong case to keep the murderer of 166 Indians behind bars?
What happens to Lakhvi is something India is watching very carefully. And if Lakhvi is freed, the possibility of stable Indo-Pak relations in the near future is in serious doubt. Srinjoy Chaudhary, Delhi Times Now.